the last hole. I'm tired today. It's Monday. I just got home from work. Kids are playing on the bike. My wife's not home from work yet. What am I gonna do tonight? It took me all day on Saturday, Saturday I spent all day putting up 5 posts. Tonight I'm gonna try and put up 3 more before supper. Can I get it done? Comment down below if you think I can get it done. Hit the like button if you think I won't be able to get it done. My legs are so sore from the other day, it's ridiculous. I'm embarrassed. You guys hear that? I think one of my kids just crashed their bike into the garage door. This mess I just made. Oh. Now you had to have seen that. Didn't you see that? What was that? Was that because I didn't pull the drill out and clean it out? That's my guess. Am I right? Tell me down below. It's not terrible. Stop judging me. 1 post in. Oh. Emergency number 1. My wife is calling. Hello? Hey. Okay. That went easy. Easier.
Now, can I get you a beer or not?
No, I don't need a beer. But thank you for asking. I want to get this work done first. And then we'll... Do you see that? Do you see how nice my daughter is? Could you hear her? Hey! How come we're not fishing? Look at this. Look at that. Perfectly clear. Have you ever seen a man and read his tombstone and it said, "I wish I fished less. I wish I put up more metal posts in the backyard where I can bust my stupid knuckles. Yeah, I wish I did that more." You know why you don't see that? Because nobody ever says that. There you go, this is the last pole. 2 more. 1 more, here we go. Oh. Where's everybody from? Where are you from today? Where are you watching this from? Midwest? Another country? The coast? I did another video where I asked everybody where they was from. My wife and kids couldn't believe it where everyone was from. So, hey, comment down below where you're from. We're gonna drill this out one more time. Oh no! The last hole. That wasn't on purpose. Yeah, so if you're sitting at home and you're like, oh, he's gonna break that drill bit and you've seen that coming, what a dummy. Comment down below if you've seen that coming. I did not see that coming. That's my fault. I mean, that's as solid as can be, but you know. Ah, man. Welcome to Woodward Acres. See, the thing is, this isn't my jam. When I say this isn't my jam, what that means is, like, I'm good at a lot of things. I know I'm good at a lot of things. Putting bolts in concrete is not one of them. Let's go have a Heineken.